My name is Anthony DiGiorgio. The learning engagement I have designed is a workshop for all MYP staff at my school. The aims and objectives of this workshop is to first clear any misconceptions or assumptions about criterion-based assessment, and secondly, to create a starting point to enact meaningful change at the school in terms of its assessment practice. Prior to the workshop, I would share an article with all teachers to read, which would lay the foundation for the workshop. The first activity I would do would be a provocation called What I Think I Know About Assessment. This would give teachers a chance to share their thoughts, ideas, opinions, and feelings about assessment with the whole MYP group, and hopefully this will allow for meaningful and thoughtful discussion. It will also give them a chance to reflect on the reading that they did. Following this activity, I would do a visible thinking routine called the conveyor belt. This would allow teachers to start to utilize those approaches to learning skills, such as thinking, both critical and creative, as well as communication and collaboration. It will also allow them to demonstrate the learner profile traits, such as communicator and inquirer. Hopefully from this, the teachers will see that in a learning community, everyone supports one another and can rely on one another to generate new ideas. Following this, departments will have a chance to reflect on a previous task and start to critically ask questions about how they can start to take next steps towards improvement. From here, they can create a new culture of assessment within their department by thinking about how they can implement the assessment strategies and tools and become more criterion-based. Hopefully, they create a common agreement about what assessment practice should look like in their department. To conclude, I would do a reflection called I Used to Think, Now I Think. This would give teachers a chance to consolidate their thoughts from the workshop and start to think about how it can inform their future practice. As a curriculum coordinator, this would inform me about the teacher's thinking and allow me to start creating a common agreement across the MYP when it comes to criterion-based assessment.